Hello viewers, welcome to Telugu Scit tutorials. This is CSS programming language cascading style sheets class 46 about the block elements only. Today we are going to discuss about inline to list 1 program on inline to list 1. So for that we are going to discuss about after this hide. Now take the program. This is program and display properties. File new, just take this program on display properties to list 1 list properties solve. ఇక్కడికి here basic constant tags HTML close, అలాగే head the same way we are going to write about head close, we will take later. Now before that title begin, within the title display properties to inline to list, display properties inline to list, title close. This is after this I am starting style type is equals to double quotation text slash CSS double quotation close, style begin, style close, here style close. Okay, after this head close, next now body begin, body also close, within the body we will add some text before that, and HTML also close. Now go into body, within the body we are taking UL unordered list begin, unordered list close, within the unordered list we are taking list list begin, same way here list close, within that what we are taking beginning. Similarly in the last program what we did, home we take, in list we took home. Similarly li list, now what is the about, we are going to take list, next again list, what is that, third one services list to close, next list contact, these are under list. UL begin, under UL first one is home, second one is about, third one is services, fourth one is services, fourth one is contact. This is under list. UL begin, UL close. Okay.